Myself, Keshav Lal CPA. My topic W2 employee versus 1099 contractor. Today's my segment is consequences of misclassification. If any employer or any employee, any worker is misclassified uh, as a 1099 contractor instead of W2 employee, if he's supposed to be W2 employee, but it is misclassified as a 1099 contractor, then there are some adverse consequences are possible. That first consequence is IRS payroll audit. This misclassification can attract the IRS payroll audit. This IRS payroll audit can be attracted by uh, IRS its own judgment, any workers complaint, any workers filing Form SS8 for classification of his employment status, and that can attract a payroll audit. And payroll audit is itself as a complex area because in the audit a lot of formalities, lot of questioning, lot of documentation is required. So employer are not happy to have a payroll audit. And the IRS payroll audit can also be followed by the state payroll audit, because state payroll audit is a different scale, different elements and different concerns than IRS. So state audit is can also be followed with IRS audit, and it it's vice versa also. If state audit first, then IRS audit can follow. There is some kind of interconnection with auditing of payroll, because payroll is a very sensitive area. So all the agencies, federal agencies and state tax agencies are very serious about payroll. Audit is like more stressful to the employer, more sensitive to the employer then the employee, then the worker, 1099. It is, if there is involved is a 1099 worker, yes, it is harmful to the employer, but it can be harmful to the employee also. But it is more harmful to the employer, because there is a lot of tax recovery from the employer by misclassification of W2 employee as a 1099 worker. Basically, employer is saving a part of taxes, social security part of taxes and Medicare part of taxes, which IRS want to recover from the employer with heavy penalties. We though what are those penalties, though that I cannot say at this time, because it depends to the nature of the employer or nature of the audit, but those penalties are very severe and very heavy. After penalties, even penalties are charged from the employer, the agencies, the tax agencies keep an eye on the employer for next 3 to 5 years, whether he's not doing again misclassification. So they keep an eye on the employer. All cases of 1099 may be attracted. If one person complain to the IRS, suppose if one person complain to the IRS, or there is a associate form filed by the one 1099 worker, and if IRS come for payroll audit, they can open all 1099 cases. If company has a 16 1099 cases, 50 1099 cases, that all can be attracted and all can be inspected, and that can also be inspected for the previous years also. How previous they will go, that I cannot say, because it's again their discretion. They can go 2 years, 3 years, up to 6 years, I don't know, but they can go previous years also. Employer is asked to issue W2 for even back periods. If suppose if there is a 1099 worker, he file a form SS8, because he can file the form SS8 for number of years. if he file number of years, let's say for 4 years, that he is misclassified for the last 4 years as a 1099 contractor instead of W2 employee. And in the audit, in the SS8 form, determination is that he should be W2 employee, and then employer can be asked to issue the W2 for even back periods. So issuing W2 for the back period is very complex because he has already filed the 941 payroll tax return. He may have to amend all the return, and he have to do all W2 issue, and he has to settle with the taxes also, which he has saved by misclassification as a 1099 worker. So taking care of the back period is very complex. It can be very complex. Not only employer, but 1019 worker are also asked to amend their personal tax returns as W2 employee. The tax return a worker has filed as a 1099 worker, and he is asked to file the W2 employee tax return. Means he has to ask to file tax return as a W2 employee. Suppose that 1099 worker has claimed a lot of business expenses which are not related to his job, not related to his kind of 1099 contractor. Then what will happen to those expenses? Those expenses automatically will be considered as a disallowed. Now he is a W2 employee with the result of IRS audit. So in this case, that audit can also adversely affect the 1099 worker. 1099 workers may also be audited. If IRS auditing any employer and he finds that there are 20, 50 cases of 1099 worker, and they can think that 1099 worker may have also claimed some kind of unrelated business expenses, so they can render the audit to the workers also. And in this way, worker can be in some kind of a stress also. And other unknown consequences, there are possibility of other consequences which is out of the scope of this discussion, but there could be more consequences. And this is it, and this is my disclaimer and my thanking note that I will come to you again. I will, any deficiencies, please apologize for that. We will be keep improving. I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much.